Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickBooks Secure Fix step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL for the QuickBooks login page. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, locate the login section. Enter your user ID in the first text box. Next, input your password in the second text box. Double-check that both entries are correct. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your registered device for a code. Input the verification code in the provided field. Click Verify to complete the login process. If you experience any issues, check your internet connection. Refresh the page and try logging in again. If problems persist, clear your browser's cache. Return to the login page and attempt to sign in again. For additional assistance, visit the QuickBooks support page. Follow their guidelines for specific login issues. Your account should now be accessible. You can start managing your financial tasks efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.